Hey vlog! This is the first day of our California vacation and I will try to vlog the entire thing. We just got here and we're getting to our hotel. Tomorrow we're going to Knott's Berry Farm, so we'll see you then. So we're on our way to breakfast and then we're gonna go to Knott's Berry Farm. We made it in the park. It's slightly overcast, but it's very nice out here. We're in the line for Ghost Rider, and we have fast passes, so we're ditching all of these poor people. I'm gonna have everybody rate Ghost Rider. I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10.
I rate it an 8 out of 10. I only give it low because the whiplash was really bad. This is actually my favorite one here. Mine's a 9.2.
I would say it was a 9 for scariness, but a 7 for overall.
I rated it like 6.5 for scariness and like an 8 for overall.
Now we're going on Silver Bullet. Nausea rating 10. However, thrill rating 9.5. Overall 7.
Thrill like a 7. Overall 7.
That was me.
Like a 7. So fun 9. Just went on hang time.
I rated it 8 and a 9.
I rate it like 9.5. Not as nauseating as the first one, so that's good.
Like a 3 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Scariest 30 seconds of my life, a 10.
Time to ride. Let's see if Cameron and Rachel are gonna be wimps.
I think I'm gonna get myself to do it, but I'm scared.
We have fast pass, but this line is taking forever.
We don't want to be late for yourselves to accelerate.
That was a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
The rest of them, they're missing out. Now we've ridden most of the rides that we want to ride today, so we're gonna leave the park, go get lunch, and then come back and ride some of them again. We are now just chilling at the hotel to take a break. We're back at the park. We're in the parking lot. They made us park across the street and it's a really far walk. We're gonna re-ride a bunch of roller coasters that we probably already rode. So see you in the park. Hey vlog, we're riding Ghost Rider again. Jenny and I are on our way to conquer Drop Tower. We are gonna go try it out and we'll let you know how we rate it. Amazing.
Terrifying. Highest drop tower in the world. It felt like that.
9.7.
Not as good as the accelerator. That's still my favorite, but I'll say like a solid 9.7 also.
Ghost Rider Part. Okay guys, it's the end of the night. We're going on Ghost Rider for the last and final time vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.